Support CGT, give us a subscribe. Hello and welcome, VikingBart here. And here on the channel we tell you how to make some money. We make suggestions, active income, passive income. We review gadgets and we have a look at new tech stuff and new things happening. And right now we're going to have a look at the crypto market as a whole. Now keep in mind, from time to time we tell you we are not financial advisors because we're obliged to say that because of YouTube. So see all these things as entertainment. But the suggestions we make are things that we do ourselves. We test everything. Sometimes it takes a week or longer to test. And right now we're going to talk about the crypto market because right now we're in a bear market. Which is sad for everyone, of course. But keep in mind, the crypto market is always a long-term investment plan. It starts flat and then there's suddenly a big push, a heavy bull run where you can make tons of profit, and then it drops back again, so it all restarts. But with more value. So right now we're in a bear market. I'm not sure if we're at the bottom yet or not. Things will go up by next year, absolutely. 2024 is my personal goal to make the big millions, the big profit. So what can you do during this bear market? Well, first of all, stop selling things. Don't trade as much. You're gonna short sell everything again, and that's not good for the market. No. What can you do to make a huge profit? You mine. Now, I got many of you thinking, well, I'm not going to buy all that heavy, expensive mining rig and with the electricity prices soaring. No, that's okay. I'm not doing that either. But there are other ways to make money, to mine that cryptocurrency. Now, if you're subscribed to the channel, you've seen a lot of things come and go where you can make money by mining easily. Now, I'm going to give you a small recap. Bitcoin is always a good thing to mine, especially with the next halving coming. Halving means you'll get only half as much Bitcoin for mining because there's a scarcity in the market. Okay, so how can you mine it? We can use the crypto tab browser, which I use every day on my phone and on my computer. It's a nice little thing. When you're in the internet browsing, you actually get hashtag rates, you get satoshis, so you get paid in Bitcoin. Awesome. What other things can you do? Well, there are always some stuff to put on your computer, like better hash and stuff, which uses your CPU and especially GPU of your computer to mine, which also gives a little bit of profit. Now, if you have an old computer or are using it heavily, you might not just use it because it does slow down your computer a bit. Even if you put the settings in only use less when the computer is inactive, it does slow it down. Let's be fair about that. Now, some other ways to really make some money is Rollercoin, which is a virtual gaming app which allows you to get a virtual mining rig world. It's too much to explain for this video. The last video we posted was about season 5 because there's a lot of money to be made with the Rollercoin app. Really, it's one of my favorite ones because the time you invest in it will come back to you eventually. As I said before in the video clips, some people make €20, $20 with the Rollercoin app and they only need to spend like 1 minute on the app now. So awesome. Now the easy ways are like free Litecoin, free Bitcoin Cash apps. I'll leave a link. I'll leave a whole bunch of links in the description below. Use our link, it helps us out. Now those free Litecoin, free Bitcoin Cash, that's like an easy app. You open it every few hours, you click on it, you get a spin, you could get a certain amount of Litecoin, Bitcoin. You can watch some ads, you get more. You fill in surveys, you get more. It's really something nice because you get a lot for free. It might not seem much at first, but that's because the value of those tokens are low. Keep in mind that when Amazon starts accepting cryptocurrency, it's going to be Litecoin. That is heavily suggested. So that means if a Litecoin is worth €60 today, or $60, it's about the same, that price will explode. Some even suggest it will explode to 600. So the earnings you make add a zero, which is awesome. So there are tons of ways to actually mine to get those cryptocurrency. Also those little apps, the Eagle Network, the Star Network token, the Cheat Moon, Ember app, really love it, gives you also a lot of Bitcoin. The Pi app, which was the first one to use it, the B token app, there are tons of them. You'll find the list below. Please check out our channel, all the videos about them. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to know more about making money, active income, passive income. All this stuff, it really works. If it doesn't work, well, we're gonna tell you or not put on the video. It's as simple as that. Because we want to make an honest channel, because you want to make money and we want to make money. And the only way to do that is just to be honest and fair. So have a look. If you have any questions about it, technical or not, just ask. And we will try to help you as soon as possible. That's it for today. See you next time.